Hi people, what's up? This is your boy Gautam from Hello Entertainment and we are playing Watch Dogs 2 and the final mission. Let's continue without any further delay. Okay, here I am. What? If it's locked, where am I getting my keys? Here it is. Come on, man. Done. Uh-oh. No. Shit.
Through the door.
And I got the car seats warmed up. Ready when you are.
Ray, you seriously need to see this place.
Man, don't tell me that. My heart's breaking here. Breaking.
Oh, what the hell is this thing? Dude, do something.
Man, last time I tried this, Dushan Nimic happened.
He's not there, trust me. Which is a real fucking pity.
Yeah, I'll still keep my fingers crossed. Kinda unsettling that there are no guards down here. I'm using the admin cert that Josh scored to get into their guts. You guys getting this?
We've got access to the air-gapped computer. It's no longer off the grid. Downloading what we need.
I have an alert on a possible target near your location. Over. We've got a breach. Find out what's going on, now! Alarm has been triggered. Sending local operatives.
Shit, they definitely didn't like that.
You watch yourself, amigo. You're still not topside yet.
Yeah, I know. I got incoming.
Oh shit. No. Man.
I have an alert on a possible target near your location. Over. We've got a breach. Find out what's going on, now! Alarm has been triggered. Sending local operatives.
It's time to take out the competition.
Shit, they definitely didn't like that.
You watch yourself, amigo. You're still not topside yet.
Yeah, I know. I got incoming.
Oh, I can't say from which direction they're coming.
We're gonna have to let that one go. Focus on the task at hand, Meadow.
Uh-uh. I thought shit. Alright people, come on up. We're there for you. Dude, die! Seriously? What the hell are they not even dying? Crap. I should have switched some weapons.
I have an alert on a possible target near your location. Over. We've got a breach. Find out what's going on now. Alarm has been triggered. Sending local operatives.
Shit, they definitely didn't like that.
You watch yourself, amigo. You're still not topside yet.
Yeah, I know. I got incoming.
Come on up, man. Good. All right, man. Come on up. Whew. Seriously? You people are not going to come? Oh, no, 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 no. Good. Game logic. Come on, man. Just come. Yep, now you know that I'm here. Just come. Ah, what the hell with this dude? Come on, man. Here's a trap for you. Ah, asshole. Shit. Yep. Leave the Bloom building. Okay. Go, go, go.
I'm at the elevator.
The engine's purring.
Satara, we're coming back, but me and Ray have one more stop to make.
You're invisible again.
Thanks. I'm heading out, Ray. Let's lock this up.
Shit. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Whew. Typical, man, that's typical. Never mind, this is a game we can try almost many times as we want.
Man out!
Oh, just to be safe. What the hell?
I lost him.
They think they can sell in 580's territory? Fuck, man, let's go!
Mm. Good. What? That's it? And fight for some more time.
I need you to handle this one personally, then.
Dude, you're screwed up.
Send the sicario.
Yo, we got one of some punks busting in on us. I'm DMing you now.
Oh, you people should fight more.
Expedito to Butcher. Do your father's proud and eliminate the bastard. Got it. Dispatching our contractor now.
Are you gonna fight?
Someone's sniffing around. Track him down.
Oh yeah, almost there. Alright. What now?
What's good, homie?
Marcus? I have to say, I don't really see the win in you coming here. Oh, wait. This isn't some petty macho bullshit, is it?
Could you stop us if it was?
What, you and Encino Man here? I don't know, I'm liking my odds. Fucking Vegas is liking my odds.
Yeah, Encino Man here.
I know
so
who
it's-
the fossil is. I've been elbow deep in Ray Kenny's head, massaging his code, improving it, overriding it, but I gotta give you some props, though. You had chops for someone that was clicking two rocks together. Kudos to you.
Well, don't go getting all hard on my account, Duchesne. This isn't exactly what you'd call a social visit. It's more of a, wouldn't you say?
Fuck 'em and leave 'em situation.
Yeah, that. Right.
Right, well, I'm always up for a fucking run, but... Why the hell are you here?
Man, it could be important. But let me tell you a story. Our story. Everything you've done, it's all out there now. Violating the public trust, manipulating the stock markets, the lies, the fraud.
Fucking bellwether. All of it.
You're bluffing.
What happens if you actually answer it this time. Maybe it's Bloom sending you to face the firing squad alone. Or maybe it's your lawyer telling you there's no place to run. Maybe it's just a telemarketer. You really should answer it this time. Whoever it is, you're done fucking people over.
Sam Nemec! Under arrest! Hands behind your back! Keep the lock your fingers now!
Sam Nemec, you have the right to remain silent.
All right. I guess that's the end of the game. Okay, that's it guys. So this is the end of the game. It's really fun playing this game and
Hacker.
sharing with you.
It's a switch on your fears. Fear of the other. They tried to isolate you. It's called divide and conquer. And they tricked you into thinking it's what you asked for.
Oh man, that kid is awesome though.
To keep you controlled and ignorant. They use CTOS to track you, to predict your behavior, to keep you in your place. They lied to you. And we promised to expose them and show you the truth. We invited you to join us, and you did. You said with one voice, we will not be lied to. We will not be afraid. We will not be silent. Yeah, man. Thanks.
So long.
Hi. Let's see what the world looks like when we aren't afraid to stand together.
San Francisco hacktivist cell DedSec has allegedly revealed what might be the biggest scandal in Silicon Valley yet. The hackers exposed evidence that Bloom's chief technology officer, Dusan Nemec, was abusing his access to CTOS data for his own financial and political gain. Nemec was taken into custody and is facing numerous counts of fraud, while authorities have begun seizing his accounts. Bloom's PR representative Charlotte Gardner said they are as shocked as anyone and are looking into the matter while cooperating with authorities. Evidence highlighted by DedSec could put Nemec in jail for a very long time.
You should probably listen to this.
DedSec. We stood together, middle fingers held high. As Silicon Valley attacked our privacy, demanded our complacency, and violated our freedoms. We caught Bloom making backroom deals with each of the biggest tech giants. Companies already specialized to track and manipulate every aspect of our lives. Bloom thought they'd use us as a boogeyman to drive these companies to their CTOS. All that data was to be protected and controlled by one master program. But we didn't play fair. We shut down their CTOS for days. We exposed them one at a time, stripped their credibility, and prevented an unprecedented state of public control. Together, DedSec gave the untouchable Big Brother its first black eye. Bloom's man behind the megaphone, Dusan Nemec, will spend the rest of his days in prison, thanks to our efforts. He was an opportunist, using his connections to exploit Bloom's system. They will scapegoat, paint him as a rogue element, claim it was a singular random incident. But we won't let him off the hook so easily. We have demonstrated their weaknesses, both human and technological. With great power comes great vulnerability. Bloom and their sycophants now face an onslaught of legal action and government investigation. Faith in the CTOS is at an all-time low. We did this. We know the greed engine will never rest. And to that, we promise, neither will DedSec. We outnumber them. With every indiscretion, every scandal, and every scam, they add to our numbers. And we will be watching. DedSec has given our warning. Do what you will.
How much of this is hyperbole? Has it really gone global?
There are new DedSec cells popping up everywhere. The Middle East, South America, Europe. And not just them, we can't even keep up with all the new hacktivist groups.
All right. Make the call.
You sure?
Do it.
Alright guys, so that's it, and I'll come back with some another game. Until then, stay safe, have fun, bye bye.